Hi guys, it's Sam. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be showing you how I structure my day during quarantine. So basically just my daily quarantine routine. I saw this on a couple people's channels and I just thought it was a great idea. So that is why I'm doing it. Right now, I am actually ready to take some Instagram pictures. My birthday's coming up in a couple of weeks. So I just wanted to get some pictures because it tends to always rain on my birthday, so I will be doing that. It is a little later in the day. It's around 6 p.m. at night, but don't worry, I'm gonna bring this vlog into tomorrow, so it's still gonna be like my quarantine daily routine. I do take pictures a lot just because I like to update my Instagram and everything, so I'm gonna do that. I may not film it, but I just wanted to update you guys. And then I do have to work out today. I think I might have a fire in my backyard, but it might be out by the time I get home because I know my parents are already sitting at the fire, so we'll see. And yeah, I will update you in a little bit. It is a lot later now. It's 8:30, so it literally took me 2 hours to take pictures, but it was really fun. I had such a fun time and I got some really nice pictures, so those will most likely be up on my birthday. If not beforehand, we'll see. I'm not sure yet. I might just take new ones for my birthday on a nice day because it's probably gonna rain on my birthday like I was talking about before. I just got home, so I am going to go make some pizza. For my pizza, I like to use this like whole wheat quinoa wrap that I got from a pizza company. I'll link it down below if I could find it. I promise it does not taste like whole wheat at all. It tastes so good and it doesn't taste like quinoa. I don't really like quinoa, but the wrap is really good, especially toasted. And I just put some tomato sauce on it with cheese and it's actually really good, so I'm gonna go eat that and I will do a little montage of that and then I'll see you guys after. So it's been a little while and I've just been, you know, digesting, and I actually edited part of this vlog, which is what I usually do when I vlog. And then I just did some stuff to get ready for my summer semester of school because it starts on Tuesday. Right now it is Sunday when this is being filmed, but it starts in a couple days, so I had to buy some books and everything like that. And I've just been waiting to go work out, so I'm just gonna finish this up and then we're gonna go work out. I am finally digested and I'm about to do my workout. For my workout today, I'm just going to do a mix of upper and lower body and maybe some core. I'm gonna kind of keep it light tonight just because I'm very sore and I went on a long run today in the beginning of the day. I again did not film the beginning of my day, so I'm gonna film the beginning of my day tomorrow, so it's still my quarantine daily routine, so don't worry, just stay tuned. And yeah, let's just get this workout in because I'm really dreading it right now. I don't like waiting until nighttime to do workouts for this very reason, but I push it off, so let's just do this. Mid-workout and I forgot to put my hair up. I don't know why, but I always forget to put my hair up when I'm lifting weights and it's really annoying in the middle of it. So I just finished my workout. I worked out for about 20 minutes and it was a very lightweight workout today, but I still did it. I still feel accomplished, so that is always good. I always tell myself to just keep going. As long as you're moving, doing something, I still give myself credit because some days are going to be harder than others and it's important to remember that. For the rest of the night, I'm probably just going to edit and just watch some YouTube. So I will film a little bit of that and then I will pick this vlog back up tomorrow. Boy. Good morning guys, it is the next day now. I just woke up. It's around 8:30 and I usually wake up around 8:30 on these days, like in the summer and everything. And the very first thing I do after brushing my teeth and everything like that is journaling. So I'm going to journal really quick. When I say journal, what I do is I plan out YouTube videos, I write how I'm feeling and kind of like just make to-do lists. So I'm going to do that really quick. So now that I'm done with my journaling, what I like to do is go eat some breakfast. I eat a very light breakfast on certain days, which is probably what I'm gonna do today. So when I know I'm gonna run in the morning, I tend to eat a light breakfast just so my body can run and so that I'm not full. Comment down below if you know what I mean. So what I'm gonna do is I think I'm just gonna make a fruit bowl with some water. Sometimes I will have either like a tea or a coffee, even though I really don't like coffee. If I really am not motivated to be up and start my day, I'll have some coffee, but that is very, very rare. Sometimes I'll have tea. Usually it would be green tea if I have tea, but today I'm just gonna have some water with a fruit bowl and maybe some Cheerios. So let's go to the kitchen and see what I have. So after I make breakfast, I obviously just eat it. I have some cut up strawberries, some raspberries, and some Cheerios, and then I do have my glass of water. So I'm gonna eat this real quick and then we'll go on to the next thing. After breakfast, I always have my Woman's One a Day vitamin. This vitamin is so good. It helps with hair growth, it helps with nails, it helps with skin, it helps with physical energy, bone health, immune health, and heart health. This video isn't sponsored, but I really like this product. So yeah, I just have one of these Woman's One a Day vitamins every day, obviously because it says one a day. It's about like an hour later. I've just been laying down, relaxing, watching some YouTube videos, which is usually me just procrastinating. I tend to procrastinate a lot and I try to fix it, but at the same time, it's always good to have some relaxation time. Right now, I did my laundry yesterday morning and it's in the dryer, so I'm going to fold that. I usually fold my laundry in the morning, so it is part of my daily routine. Obviously, every day is a little bit different, so there is some days that I don't do my laundry, but today and many other days I do my laundry and fold it in the morning. I let it sit overnight, which probably isn't a good idea, but that's just what I do. So we're gonna go fold my laundry. Angel boy. So just a semi-funny story. Last night I was taking my clothes out of the washer machine and putting them into the dryer, and I have some pieces that can't go into the dryer, and in my laundry room we have like a rack, but the rack was full, so I got hangers and I didn't want the wood to warp on my cabinets, so this is what I did. I put a towel like covering the wood, and then I put my pieces of clothes that can't go into the dryer on it, like hanging on the knob, and I think it looks weird, so I just wanted to include that. Alright, so it's about 11 o'clock. It's really bright outside. I'm gonna go in my car to finish this little clip because I can't like see the camera and I'm squinting, so hang on. Okay, that's better. So like I was saying, it is 11 o'clock in the afternoon, or in the morning, the afternoon. Why did I just say that? It's 11 o'clock in the morning and I just finished my walk. Usually I run, but today is gonna be my off day, and on my off days I always still like to walk because obviously I still need exercise. So right now I'm in my car. Every morning or sometime throughout the day I do like to go on a drive with the windows down when it's nice out, just because I really like seeing nature and, you know, still getting that fresh air that we all need. So I'm gonna go on a drive. I actually may stop at Starbucks because I kind of do want green tea, and when I go to Starbucks I usually just get a green tea with no sugar and ice, so I might do that. It depends on how long the line is. Also, what I wanted to ask you guys was, do you guys like vlogs or do you prefer like my other content? Because I'm gonna do both, but I don't know if I should continue vlogging more or if I should just stick to like the sit down videos, or if I should do both. So let me know what you guys prefer down in the comments so I can give you content that you actually love. And I'm gonna stop talking now because I don't know why I talked for this long. I tend to do this a lot. Guys, the fox! Do you see it? That's the fox. I hope I got that. Oh my gosh. That was the fox that is always by my house that I was talking about in a different video. But anyways, I just finished my walk and now I'm going to head to Starbucks. So let's go. Hi! So I went to the Starbucks and the line was across the street, like literally went into the street. Oh, there's my dog. Dally! Dally, say hi! The line was literally way too long, so I think I'm just gonna make some green tea here. So I just had my green tea and it was really good. I prefer Starbucks, but it was still good. So the rest of my day I'm not really doing anything. I'm just gonna edit this video and get it ready to go up on YouTube. So I think I'm gonna end my quarantine daily routine here. If you guys liked it, please remember to give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and let me know what type of content you want to see from me and if you guys prefer vlogs and everything like that. If you stayed up until this point, comment a yellow flower emoji, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!